Hold up. Pose, yeah. Pose. Pose, yeah. Pose. I am. Pose, you pose. I am.
Oh, hello. What's going on in Porctia's Apron? You know what I'm saying?
Y'all know we gotta come through now.
Yeah.
So what's cooking good looking?
What's cooking good looking? Nice to see y'all.
Cooking good looking. And we are back with another recipe by Portia's Apron.
Ooh.
I have my girl Rosie Posey here.
Oh, you know what it is. You already know. I'm here to assist my
Rosie
girl.
is actually a really great chef as well, and she dances.
Of course I do.
Shit, real life, everybody gang bang, no they ain't real rap, came in the game, been a real one, real, and ain't shit changed, but I'm still one.
Today we are making a creamy pasta with shakate.
This is like the fifth time I've explained this to her.
Okay.
The word is shiitake.
Shiitake. Okay.
No. Okay, what is the mushroom?
Shiitake mushrooms.
Perfect.
A creamy pasta with shiitake mushrooms, a jerk shiitake, and some bang bang broccoli.
Bang bang.
Bang bang. Bang bang. So,
You already know.
we are going to actually start with our cream sauce first. Of course, the special and secret ingredient, which is Portia's vegan broth.
A little bit more.
Yeah, half a cup. We're going to go ahead and add our cashews.
Hey, get them all in there.
Get all of it in there.
Get them in the pot.
Nutritional yeast.
Put her in.
Our spices, which is salt, pepper, oregano, thyme, and garlic powder, onion powder. Good. We Gucci. And we have our onions, scallion, and garlic.
Yum.
We're about to make a creamy sauce.
It's about to be bomb and flavorful, let me tell you.
From scratch?
So what makes it creamy, P?
So the cashews are actually going to make it the creamy, like cheesy kind of texture, and so is the nutritional yeast. Oh, that already looks good.
I grew these herbs with my own 2 hands.
Hey.
So we have, this is Italian basil.
Hey.
Cute. What do you want?
Dropping that in there?
This stuff is prime, very rare.
Okay. You already know what this is.
What's your
Our blender dance.
The blender dance.
It's the
or whatever.
blender dance. Oh my god.
Ooh. What? I have never smelled that in my life. I want that as a perfume. Weird.
Oh, perfume.
Ah!
You want it as a perfume?
Right.
Let's taste it.
This is fragrance, y'all. Those cashews really came through.
Finger test? It's like a
Hi, this is your seasoning dance. It's like, oh, what do I need? What do I need?
I want to put a little liquid aminos in it.
Okay,
Let's just,
she's
break it up a little bit.
And describe to the audience what exactly liquid aminos is.
It's like a substitute for soy sauce, but
That's
a
salty
natural
flavor.
soy alternative.
Okay. Tell the people what they want.
Tell them what they want, give them what they
Right.
need. We're going to go ahead and put a little pinch of salt in there too. I'll put this to the side because we're not really ready for this. The
She was saying-
shiitake mushroom.
Let's get a little bit. So we got our shiitake.
We have our onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. We have our green peppers, our red peppers, our onions, and garlic. So we're going to just add a little bit of olive oil to our pan here. That's
Just
good.
gonna eyeball it, like they say.
That's probably about 3 tablespoons.
Ooh, I love olive oil. It smells so good.
Right? You're such a weirdo.
I know.
You be liking the smells of weird stuff.
Hey,
A freaking fragrance.
that is the beauty of food. The
Let me
fragrance.
see. I don't know how I feel about you smelling like creamy pasta sauce every time you come around.
Excuse me. Okay, what like fragrance would you want?
Strawberries, pear,
Okay, fruity.
mango,
But that,
fruity.
but no, but
Spicy.
You
You can use a nice spice too.
know, but coming in smelling like tacos, fresh cookies.
Tacos, then?
Okay, maybe this is just me.
Okay. We're going to continue with the recipe.
Whatever.
We're gonna go ahead and add the garlic. Ooh, you hear that, honey?
You guys can hear that? That's like.
I go ahead and add the onions as well.
Oh my gosh, you can already smell that.
Okay, so in this bowl of goodness that's filled with shiitake mushrooms, I have amino liquids, some liquid smoke, a little barbecue, some vegetable broth, also some oat milk.
Oh, there's oat milk?
There's some oat milk in here.
It does look a little creamy.
It is a little creamy. Is you ready for this? Let's go.
When you're ready.
Actually, I want to start with just putting the shiitake in there.
Look at these shiitake.
Shiitake.
You guys, you can smell it the second you put it in. I swear, people will want that as a fragrance.
They would no freaking fragrance. So now we're going to smell like shiitake mushrooms.
Yeah, but I think my point is like you would have a fragrance and then spray it on your food. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Ooh.
You know what I mean?
A fragrance that you eat.
I don't know. Maybe this is.
So like it's actually food.
Yeah, it's food.
Okay.
You know what I mean? She's got a technique.
It's like you gotta take your time with cooking. You can't rush it. You can't rush the process. It's just gotta
It's a labor of love, y'all.
just like, you know, let it happen. Let's start with our next thing on the menu. I got this from the vegan market here off of Friars in San Diego. It's actually a kind of unique spaghetti pasta. It is gluten-free and it also comes with herbs already, so that's pretty dope. We've already put 3 cups of water into our pot, and we're just gonna pour all of this in there and let it do its thing.
It's flavorful.
It is. Come on out, baby. Come on out. So we're gonna let that do its thing, and while this is doing its thing, we're gonna work on the bang broccoli. I'm gonna bring the ingredients over here so that we can talk about them.
Okay, I'm gonna pour myself a glass of wine.
Yeah. So for the bang broccoli, we have already soaked our broccoli florets into some oat milk, and we have here some chickpea flour.
Ooh, hey.
And I've already made the bang sauce, which is mayonnaise, sriracha, Thai chili, and honey.
Okay. Bang.
We're gonna add some olive oil to our pot.
Oh! Cut.
Technical difficulty.
So this is like a breading process, right?
Right.
We're gonna fry it.
We're gonna fry it. So we're gonna just slap about a cup.
Look at her hair.
So we red today, honey.
I'm red, she's red.
Hell, let me wash my hands.
What's black and white and red all over?
Us.
Portia Simone. Look at you.
Alright, so basically we're gonna work fast.
Woo!
So like I said, the broccoli florets have already been soaking in oat milk. We're just gonna kind of like bring this heat down a little bit because that's gonna pop us up. Ooh, baby. Come on, honey, don't get mad.
These things are fierce.
Don't be mad, baby. Don't get mad at us, baby. So we are going to dip the broccoli florets into the bang sauce, right?
Ooh.
After dipping it into the bang sauce lightly, we're going to just cover it a little bit with some chickpea seasoning and drop them in so that we can have a
Bang, good old time.
bang. Okay.
Look at that action.
Gonna dip, baby, dip.
Can you make it dip? Make it dip. Can I do one?
Of course, you can do all of them if you want. Hello.
I have never seen this before.
Me neither. Actually, this is my first time doing it. I thought about it and I was like, ooh,
I'm doing it.
let's make some bang broccoli. You know how they got bang shrimp? I mean, for the people who don't eat
Exactly.
shrimp. No, that's right. Say it to me, girl.
Boy, I wanna know. It's clear that you're obsessed with me.
Okay, so now that that is all prepped, we're going to clean as we go.
Just whistle while you work. God, that totally looks like tempura.
Ew. Okay,
What's cooking good looking?
we are back.
We are back from commercial break.
Go ahead and transfer our broccoli florets into a dish. And then we're going to smother it with bang bang sauce
Smother.
that we have already made.
Smother like a mother. Ooh. Ooh. You guys, this close up, you don't even know. 6, 7, 8.
So our broccoli, I want to taste one.
Girl, get your drink on. I'm already surpassing that. Oh my god!
Isn't it so good?
The after flavor.
Let's just sprinkle a little bit of the bang bang sauce.
Sausage.
So we're just going to toss this around a little bit and put this to the side. And we're going to start making our pasta.
Yeah.
How do I feel?
Oh my god, you guys, this is so good. I want to scrape this and eat it. Can I do that?
Do what you want to do, babe.
Oh my god, you don't even know. Girl's best friend. Back in action.
Are
You know.
here and ready to dish our plates. We're doing pink.
Because it's Wednesday and we wear pink.
Actually, it is Sunday.
Well, they don't know that.
They don't, but so we've already
Some
finished.
vegetables.
Come on, chef. Prep it up, prep it up.
We're gonna prep this nice and
Oh,
purple.
a nice-
Oh my god, yes.
A nice, beautiful bed of vegetables.
Oh, don't play with her. Don't play with her.
And this is the vegan substitution, right?
Definitely.
And over here is the shrimp version.
So we have our shrimp that I won't be eating, but
Sure, that body, that creaminess,
yummy.
it's got it all.
Look that up.
I think
Ladies and gentlemen,
drum roll for
We are here.
the
taste test. We have already made our creamy pasta with shiitake mushrooms and our bang bang shrimp. Come on
Hey,
now.
you know what
Well,
it
actually, her bang bang shrimp and my bang bang broccoli. So let's go.
give it a go.
Let's dig in. I'm ready.
I gotta get all the flavors on one bite.
Right?
Ooh,
I know.
look at that swirl, that creaminess, that texture.
Let's go. Oh my god. It's
What?
so good.
It's so good.
Why is it so good? Jesus. Pray for me.
Portia's Apron. Come
Okay, we
through
got
with
it,
them
guys.
seasonings though. That is just the right amount of spice. You know?
It is so good.
That is so good.
The creaminess offsets the spice, so it's not so spicy.
That's what it is. Oh, and now I'm getting an after flavor.
Of the
I'm getting-
garlic.
I'm getting those herbs coming through.
Oh my god, the herbs from the spaghetti and also our
Of course.
homemade sauce.
Let me get into this Kung Pao Bang Bang.
Bang bang broccoli. I'm ready. I'm right there with you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Sure.
It's a party in my mouth. It's a party. It's a party. It's a party in my mouth. Hey,
So
say.
good. And there we have it, guys. What's looking good looking?
What's cooking good looking?
Just feed us and call us pretty.
I'll tell you.
Here we go.
This is one of your best. If you guys don't try this, you're missing out, okay?
Okay.
I'm going for seconds. See y'all later. See you next time.
Deuces.
Love you.